The beautiful Oak Creek stretches many miles and is one of my favorite places to fish. I've had a lot of good success there and a lot of not so good success there. But today is about our best fly fishing catches at Oak Creek. Got one on my fly. Let's go. Got on my fly. I think it's my top fly too. Yeah, on my top fly. No way. Got him. Yes. On my top fly. Let's go. Look at that. Got him. Let's go on the fly. Let's go, guys. Saw him eat it. Whoa. We'll fight him with the reel. He ate the bottom fly, the nymph. Wow. Completely look like I know what I'm doing with the fly pole. Come on. Here, this. No! No! Got him. This guy's running all around. Let's go, guys. Another one on the fly. I think he took the top fly. That big one I was trying to get. After like 6 casts, he went for it. No. No. Came off. Where's my net? It's acting dead. Got him. There he is, there he is. Guys, I caught a trout. Fly rod too. Let's go. I'm like, why does my pole feel a little bit heavy? Sir, he ate the top fly. Dude, let's go. Alright, we're gonna let this guy go as soon as he possibly can. We're on the water for a little bit. Sorry. Chill out. Oh, there he goes. Came off. Swim back. Pretty fine. He's right there. Got him. Go on the fly. Let's go, guys. On the gate. Fight him with the wheel. He's the bottom fly too. Wow. Completely look like I know what I'm doing with the fly pole. No! 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 Got him. This guy's running all around. Let's go, guys. Another one on the fly. I think he took the top fly. That big one I was trying to get. After like 6 casts, he went for it. No. No. Came off. Where's my net? It's acting dead. Got him. Really, he broke off, or? Oh, of course I'm in a tree. That's nice. Got him.
Can you help me out?
Yeah. That. Dad got one on the fly pole too. Oh, you said a decent one.
Where are you going? Bank yourself?
Got him. Look at that. Dude, on that cat is too nice, Dad. Holy sh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I got one! I actually got one! On the fly rod! Holy cow! Did you guys see him jump? I got one on the fly rod! I got one on the fly rod! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This guy's actually... Dude! There's no way! I actually got one on the fly rod! You're joking, right? Holy cow! No freaking way! No freaking way! This guy's a monster, dude! Holy cow! You're kidding! 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 Oh, dude! No way! No freaking way! First time at fly fishing. Holy cow, guys! Holy cow! Holy cow! Look at that! Look at that beauty! With that floating fly! Are you serious? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? First time fly fishing. We're keeping this guy. Hooked him the side of the mouth. Dude, you're kidding. Guys, that's crazy. Come on, go down, go down, go down. Cut the video off. Right there, on that. Dang. Here, if you can. My dad got him on the fly.
Yes!
Little brownie, that's cool.
I probably did not reel in properly at all.
Yeah, look at
Because I have no idea what I'm doing fly fishing, but
look at that little guy.
you want to help me hold him, and I'll just
Yeah.
pull this up. Hold on, little buddy. Oh, perfect.
I know, right in the side. Look at that.
Hey,
Scoot back a little bit. Hold him
my
up.
first brownie of the day.
Yeah, brownies and rainbows. Look at that. That's a pretty one. Just like, it's like my
Nice.
brownie's best friend or something.
My first fish on a fly rod and my first brownie of the day.
Nice.
Don't worry, buddy. Oh, look, he's got a little red tip on his back fin.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Things like a red dot.
All right, bro. Don't worry. All right.
Oh my
See
gosh.
ya.
And that guy took off.
That was awesome.
There he goes. That was so cool.
That's what it was.
My dad got another brownie. The fly.
Whoa!
That's a pretty one too. Pick that guy up. Another one. Gobble up that fly right there.
Well, you said I'll eat that.
Dang, yeah, no, that's a pretty one. Alright guys, I think we're gonna wrap up that video. Thank you for watching all of our best fly fishing catches at Oak Creek. And some really aggressive trout we got there on the flies. And hopefully more fly fishing videos to come. And see you on the shoreline.